All right, good morning. We're here up in North Phoenix at a big project we're doing on just under 2-acre property up here. We're here doing a lot of passive rainwater harvesting. We're gonna be adding a bunch of large trees, replacing all the irrigation, doing a lighting system. Gonna be hooking up gutters to the house, putting a tank in the back, putting a pump system on it. So this has been a great project, and we're in the middle of it. And it rained last night, and I hope it rained at your house as well. These are the kind of days we live for, and one of the main reasons for that is it's a great, after it rains, this is when you can go out and see where the water lies and see how the water moves. Check your systems if you have them, and if you don't have any systems in your property, you can see how the water lies, so you can strategize on how to create those systems. At this property here, we have a grade coming down the hill right here, so everything ends up and then down that road. Now I can show the backyard eventually as well, but basically the whole backyard sheds this way, so everything is coming into the house on the east side, and you can see it's a mud pit over here. A lot of moisture. We're gonna be digging a basin over here, and it's pretty much mud now. So our goal is what we're gonna try to do is keep the water up on the hillside, because again, we're adding a bunch of trees up here, and there's already some existing trees, and the goal is to, as that water flows through here, and there's water flowing through the backyard, and then even from the neighbor's yard that's coming in, and it all right now just ends up boom at the house. And the same for the backyard here. You can here it's all shedding, and then it all ends up right here on the side of the house. And that's why it's really wet all the time over there. Not good for the foundation. So we're going to be creating kind of a berming system to move water off contour into, we're going to have a tree here. That water will be moved into here. Going to be same here. Maybe you can see my little blue line here. It's all off contour to channel it into this tree well. And I'm going to open this tree well up. These were planted by Moon Valley about a year ago. Beautiful trees, nice big beefy berms. But we want to welcome in the water that's coming from up above into these basins. So we're going to open those up. And then as the water comes down the hill, they're going to hit our contour berms and flow into the tree wells. That can be seen over here. We have all this water coming in off the next door neighbor's property. You can even see some of the water marks coming through. Then we got major water flow coming through here. If you have a neighbor who wants to give you their water, take it and use it. And you can see I put a berm here yesterday, literally. So the water came, hit that berm. It's kind of hard to see, and then I opened up the berm, and boom. You can see how muddy this guy is compared to the closed berms up here. Much drier, just mostly the water falling from up above coming into there. And we're mid-project. This isn't even remotely finished, but you can just see the little bit I put together here. The water hits and goes into the berm, and then again we'll be coming down the hill and through here, and we're going to slow the water, spread it, and sink it. And that's what this project's all about. I'm looking forward to showing more and showing the finished product here, because this is going to be a really fun project, because there's so much water that can come through these larger properties. And if you have the systems to take advantage of it, you can really bank a lot of moisture, even here in the Sonoran Desert.